the best chocolate milkshake in the world. 4 ingredients. What I've got in here, got 3 bananas, 1 whole mamey, 1.5 tablespoons of cacao powder, and I'm going to put some water in there and blend it up. I think, you know, my mom loved chocolate, and when I was in the womb, I think she must have eaten a lot of chocolate. But every now and then I get this craving for chocolate. I have switched from chocolate to carob, and I think carob is a healthier choice, and I think it tastes fantastic, just as good as chocolate. But so most of the time I go for carob. But today I had that hankering for a chocolate milkshake. So I'm going to put some water in that one, and you know what I'm going to do. Fruit up, baby. Alrighty, I've got it blended up. Look at that bad boy. It looks like chocolate pudding. Man, this stuff is incredible. So, the best chocolate milkshake on the planet. And I'm going to fruit up. You too, fruit up, baby. Take care.